Today I am going to be washing all of my mochis. Not only just mochis, these two nasty, dirty Nidos and this water snake. Let's get started. First, I am going to be washing all of my mochis. I'm going to be washing them in a strainer. And use some hot water to rinse them. Then I'm going to use some soap, a few pumps, and then clean them with my hands. Then I'm going to rinse them. Then I'm going to grab the strainer and put them on this towel. And then let's dry them. Okay, now all of my mochis are nice and clean. I love it when my mochis are nice and clean. Next, I'm gonna do these Nidos. First, I'm gonna do this color-changing yellow-orange one. First, I'm gonna rinse, and then put a few pumps of soap on it. Then scrub. Now I'm gonna rinse it. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to this pink one. Now I'm gonna do this water snake. First rinse, then soap. Well, that was a lot. And then scrub. And then rinse. And then dry. All clean. Thank you for cleaning with me. Bye. Peace out.